Hi, hello, hi, hello, hi. I hope you guys are doing well. Hi guys. Okay, so in today's video, this is going to be a very short video, but in this video I'm going to share with you like the top skills that can make you like a lot of money in Italy. So it's not necessarily like as a student, but then some of the skills that can kind of like just make you money in Italy. So the top on my list, at the top on my list, is that of teaching English. I have a complete video, like a different video, where I tell you guys how to get English certifications, their cost, and then the sites to kind of like, teach English on. So yeah, you're going to get more information from that video. And then if that video happens to come out before this video, then obviously you're going to see it. I'm going to link it here or here. But then yes, teaching English can make you loads and loads of money in Italy, considering the fact that you don't have to stress that much, not like stress that much, but then it's not so much of manpower, because like most of the jobs out here that make people money to some extent requires a lot of strength and all of that. So yeah, that is one of the jobs that doesn't require you to use your mind and all of that. So yeah, that is the first job at the top of my list, or the first skills at the top of my list. The second at the top of my list is that of, if you have skills in electrical engineering, like if you have skills with electricals, you can, that kind of stuff. Yes, that is one skill I've seen make a lot of money to people. I have a friend that makes a lot. You can get a company to kind of like train you, to while you're under training you can get to be paid, and then after you are done you can kind of like work and earn loads of money. So that is one other skill I've seen people here in Italy make a lot of money from. So yeah, that is one thing you should know. Then the third skill on top of my list has to do with data analysis. So like today, I know data analysis is blowing up everywhere in the world, and in Italy as well. If you have skills in data analysis, you can get to work in both international organizations and that of Italian organizations. And then some companies will not require you to just know Italian, but then the skills will go ahead of you in getting the job. So that is one thing, that is one skill that can make you loads of money in Italy, and then it can help you to quickly kind of get a job. So these skills that I'm mentioning, those are skill sets that can help you quickly get a job in Italy, and then also help you to earn a lot. So it doesn't only help you to get a job, but then it also helps you to get good paying jobs. So so the next on my list has to do with web development and then coding. This is a skill that can make you loads of money, not only here in Italy, but then in anywhere at all. And with this skill set, most companies are going to hire you and not necessarily require you to know Italian. So if you're someone that is good at coding, web development and all that kind of stuff, that is a skill set that can make you loads of money here in Italy. Then the next on my list has to do with digital marketing. Today the world is advancing, the internet, and after COVID so many businesses are moving online and all of that. And because of that, this is the time for digital marketers. You can make loads of money as a digital marketer. So if you have search engine optimization, email marketing, social media marketing, these are skills that can make you loads of money. So digital marketers make a lot of money. And myself, I am training, currently I'm training with Job Prepped. I'm going to tell you guys more about it, but currently I'm training with Job Prepped as a digital marketer to kind of enhance my skills with search engine optimization, social media marketing, and that of email marketing. But then I'm more of into the social media side. But then yeah, that is what I'm currently doing now as well, to kind of like enhance my skills, because getting certificates alone is not enough. Like majority of the things we actually do on the field are not taught to us, like in a marketing degree program, in a marketing master's program and all of that. Most of the skills and the things that you actually need to do on the job field comes by learning, by internships and all of that. Yeah, so that is the next skill. That is the next skill on my list that can make you loads of money in Italy. So what you should know is, in this list that I'm making, I'm mixing both formal skills and then informal skills. The next on top of my list has to do with hair making. So if you know how to make hair, you know how to do braids, you can do weaves and all that kind of stuff. Like, that is another skill set that can make you loads of money in Italy. Here there are a lot of black people, and on campuses as a student you can make money. If you're not a student, as a worker, like, you can get to make money. Even now some of the whites want to do their hair and all of that, so you can get the opportunity to make money both from the black community and then from the white community as well. Like, people who want to kind of like learn, people who want to kind of like do their hair and all of that. So like, that is a skill set that can help you a lot. It will not only help you to make money, but then it will help you to save money as well. And what do I mean by that? Here, getting people to do your hair costs loads of money, and that is one thing that has saved like me and my family loads of money, because we don't braid outside from people. We braid for ourselves, and I can braid my own hair. So because of that, the money I will spend, like 100 euros in going to do my hair, I can use that money to do something else. So that is a skill set that will kind of like not only make you money, but then it will save you loads of money. So yeah, if that is something you're open to, if you don't like, learning how to braid is easy nowadays. You can learn online and all of that. So if you're intending to move to Italy and you're a young woman and you feel like this is an area you're interested in, I highly suggest that you start developing that skill, because it's going to make you loads and loads of money. And especially the students that are going to areas where there are not so many job opportunities, like working in a restaurant and all of this other stuff. This is one skill that you can develop, and you can get to braid the hair of some of the students in the international community on your campus, and then you can get money from that. So that is a skill set that can make you loads of money in Italy. So like, for now, at the top of my head, these are the skill sets that I've seen is making people loads of money. Then the last skill set, before I forget, the last skill set that like is making people loads of money has to do with, if you know how to care for people, like caring for people, the elderly and all of that. Here in Italy, the people that do that are called badante. If you have that kind of like skills to kind of like take care of people, it can make you loads of money. You can easily get the job, and then you can easily like work, you get loads of money. All you have to do is you have to take like formal training, which lasts for some months, and then you can start working and earn loads of money. That is a job category that opens like everywhere. Like, there are always jobs in that field. So if you have skills in that area, then I highly suggest you kind of like look more into it. So with most of the jobs that I've mentioned, the ones that has to do with like digital marketing, that has to do with coding, digital skills, and also that of data analysis and teaching English, like, I'm going to leave the links to some of the sites where you can teach English. I know I have a video on teaching English, but then no problem, I'm going to leave a link to some of the sites where you can kind of like teach English in Italy, and then also some of the sites where you can get training, because you need to get certification to teach English. Then I'm also going to leave one site that you can get to work remotely, because as a digital marketer, as a digital marketer, as a web developer, as a data analysis person, for this career field, like, you can get to work remotely. So I'm going to leave a site in the video description of a site, like a remote site, where you can get loads of job open. You can get to work for companies in the USA, in Germany, wherever they are based. But then you really have to be good at what you do. So yeah, that is all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I don't know when this video is going to come out, but then happy December. And then you can see the sun is up, but then it's very, very cold. This December is just lying to you. The sun is just lying to you. It's very, very cold, and I hope you guys have a nice December. But then that is it for today's video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. If you found value in this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.